My name is Vince Burlapp. Today we're looking at the all-new Acura Integra, the first new Integra in over 15 years. It's a very nice-looking car that fits right in between the Honda Civic and Accord in size. The one here is the top of the line, a spec version. I like how they incorporated a small Acura logo into the headlight. It's cute, isn't it? And look at this huge Acura logo on the grille, next to my giant and manly hand. The interior uses some parts from the Civic, but it's different enough to feel new and more upscale. Just look at these seats with micro suede inserts. They look great and are very comfortable. The climate control switches are from the Civic and other Hondas. This particular model comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. It's fun and easy to use. But watch out. The metal top plate of the shifter gets very hot if you leave the car parked in the sun. Just remember that. The center armrest is not adjustable. Too bad. And there's only a very small storage space underneath. It comes with 4 driving modes. Unfortunately, they don't seem to do much. The ride feels the same in every mode, although in the sports mode, acceleration actually feels a bit punchier. The hatchback is not powered and seems a bit demanding to open. But once you do, there's of course plenty of space. The seats fold down flat, and all is fine in the world. The new Integra is a nice car. It's just like the old Integras always were. A nicer Civic. Is it worth more money than the Civic? You tell me.